What's up guys, my name's Caleb. Welcome back to Impeccable Image Detailing. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. And first and foremost, I just want to say thank you all for watching my videos and listening to me babble. It means the world to me, so thank you all very, very much. Also, Gus, if you are watching this, thank you so much. He's actually the one who introduced me to this particular customer, and super good guy. And these particular customers are, super down to earth and nice as well. So thank you so much. Today I have this 2021 Infiniti Q50S, and this is in for my new car prep and ceramic coating service. So we're going to be doing a light polish and then applying a 5-year ceramic coating to the complete exterior, the windshield, any of the dark plastics, wheels, etc. So I'm not going to show you any of the defects because they take very, very good care of this car, but without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, I wanted to bring you in real quick. Right here, there are some really, really deep scratches, and I tried to completely remove them. I actually did a compound and a polish, but unfortunately they remain. Overall though, they do look much better, but that's where you have to make a decision on, what is safe and what is not. And unfortunately, if I were to go any further, we would risk compromising this clear coat. So just wanted to point that out. It is unfortunate, but it's not worth grinding this paint to death, especially on a brand new car. These paint corrections, full-blown paint corrections, they're really a thing of the past now. You really should just be doing one-step polishes and enhancements and just trying to get overall clarity, depth of shine, etc. But overall, look, this hood looks fantastic. There's just some, deeper scratches in this area over here. So I just finished polishing the Infiniti, and now it's time for me to apply the ceramic coating, and the one I'm choosing to use is this one right here. This is the Ceramacrylics Elite Master Coat, and this is a 5-year coating, and this has not officially been released yet. It's actually set to be released in 2023, and I thought I would use a special coating for a special car. guys, that does it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. And as you can see, this 400 horsepower twin turboed V6 Q50S looks absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.